Hey guys, couple of new updates for our integration. So first off, I'm gonna start with the Jane integration. So what we've added is basically I mentioned that we decreases the fetch to every 30 minutes. So that fetch is basically gonna give you all the appointments updates for the day, and basically that will happen every 30 minutes. And then another thing that we added is we are going to do a daily fetch of your whole database, so making sure that everything is all up to date and synced. So every day we will do a whole fetch, so everything gets updated, plus the 30 minutes interval fetching that we're doing. So everything needs to be it's going to be up to date. As you can tell, I'm super excited. Now the next thing that we kind of like added and fixed was the upcoming appointment. So as you can see now, we have the appointment reminder start time that comes in this type of what you call it format. What you can do with this, I'm going to show you. You can actually right away have a workflow that book this appointment into your GHL calendar, and you can have all your reminders and stuff going at as well. And there's also one other thing that I haven't put it inside in here. That's more for when you guys are reaching out to me or support or anything, and you want to say, hey, why does this look like this doesn't look right. We have a field that tells when was the last time that this contact has been updated via our integration, so we can actually reference that to see when something went wrong or broken or got updated and those kind of things. So definitely huge updates. And this upcoming appointment start time is also updated across all of our integration. So if you're using Jane, PT everywhere, clinical, NoCal, whatever, you can use this to do these kind of cool stuff. So I'm going to show you. So I've already created an appointment, and I'm just going to click on run test, and then I'm going to show you what the book appointments look like. So let's just click on this. So now this is running. So basically this action is like, you can just click on this plus. They've recently added this in GHL, so you can type in book, and it comes up in here, book an appointment. And if I close this guy and I click on this, all you need to do is you choose the calendar, and then you want to, because when this comes up, it will look like something like this. So what you want to do is you want to click on these three dots, click on dynamic, and then put the custom field, which is contact, and then start typing reminder, and it will bring it up. And that's all you need. And save action, save, and that's done. Now if you go to the calendar and have a look to see what we got. All right, so this was the contact, as you can see, test@gmail.com, and the upcoming appointment was 6th of Feb 2025, 9 a.m. Now if you go to the calendar, as you can see, that came through in here, booked in here, and obviously you can have, that's what the workflow did. And obviously you can have now your reminder, because you get all the data for this appointment, what is the treatment name, if they need to do something before that, and all of those kind of jazz. So super excited to put the push this out. It is actually live now. It might take a while for every one of your accounts to kind of like get this data coming in. I would suggest to look at your data probably tomorrow, because if you want to look at everything getting updated, we need the daily fetch to kick in automatically. So I would say to give it a day, and then your data should be all up to date. Let me know if you have any question, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks, bye.